up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Shady Aunty Kelechi here for your entertainment. Okay, so we're going to continue on. I'm not going to make this long, but before I jump right into it, please remember to subscribe to my show and like it, and also share it, and follow me on social media. Okay, on the social media. You people are always on your phone. Follow me. Okay, anyway, jumping right into it, we're coming back to you with another growing up African, growing up Nigerian, whichever one you want to call it. I don't know, I don't care. It is still growing up Nigerian. Anyway, let me stop. Okay, so today we're talking about the birds and the bees conversation. First of all, I don't know about you, but I'm going to tell you about my birds and the bees conversation. And then you guys, please share your own stories. Please. Okay? Anyway, so most African parents, Nigerian parents especially, these are the things that we had, or the conversations that we had in regards to birds and the bees, or sex. Anyway, so and because we're talking about that, I'm going to be in my nightgown, my pajamas. Okay, anyway, so most African parents, it was like, don't let those boys touch you. If they touch you, you will end up pregnant. Mommy, like literally, so many of us were living in fear, pure torture, because you thought if simple touch, just touch you, you don't get belly. You don't get belly. Or it was, don't be looking at those girls though, because if you look at them anyhow, you'll get them pregnant. Some of you boys were here fearing for your life. Now you people are just doing rubbish. Anyway, so, you know. But how many of you can say you had the birds and the bees talk? Like, I didn't. And I have a whole kid. I still haven't had the sex talk. I'm grown. I'm a whole grown up. Somebody mama. Right. So this is the sex talk that my mom had with me. So anybody that knows my mom is a minister in the church. She's always been really into the church, or at least that's what she told me. But I've soon learned that her church ways have not always been true. She has not always been in the church and prophesying and holifying. I'm just saying, I'm telling you. Don't tell her I said this. But anyway, so my mom was really in the church. Like really in the church, right? And so I guess when she thought it was time to have, like, okay, my daughter's getting breast, she's kind of getting a little, thick back there, we need to have the sex talk. So she kind of was like, I just want to tell you that if you have unprotected sex, I think I was like 10, 8, 9, 10, I can't remember. If you have sex with somebody and you're not married, the girl dies instantly and the man dies 7 days after. So do not have sex if you're not married. It's only for married people. Mind you, this is the same lady that when I asked where babies come from, y'all, let me tell you what she said. This is the same lady that when I was like, Mommy, where do babies come from? She says, when a mommy and a daddy love each other, they come at night and pray. They pray to God. And in the middle of the night, Jesus Christ brings the baby down from heaven and puts it inside the mommy's tummy. And in the morning, the mommy wakes up pregnant. Y'all. That's not how I got pregnant. Okay? That's not how I got pregnant. I did not pray in the middle of the night and ask God to put a baby in my tummy. Oh, y'all like the accent switch up? I got real country, huh? But that's not how I got pregnant. Okay? So, what was your birds and the bees conversation with your parents? I want to know. Share with me. Meanwhile, while you're sharing with me, like this post, share this video, and follow me on social media because I am here for your entertainment. Love you, mean it.